Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today we're gonna test out this J1772 to NACS Tesla adapter. We're gonna test out with this. This is just a level 1. I'm just gonna test out real quick. You could also use this for level 2 with the J1772. I'm going to plug this in. Well, this is not Tesla charger, so it's not going to open automatically. I'm going to plug in, Joe, okay? Let's see. Uh-oh. It's not working. So I plug in. Earlier I didn't plug in all the way in. So now it's all the way in. You got a green Tesla logo flashing. That means charging. You can see it on the screen. So it shows 78 miles. Oh yeah, Joseph, right here it shows limited to 264. Wow, it's charging at 4 miles per hour. Pretty good. And this is only level 1. 12 to 12 amp, 117 volt. There's a crack right here on the hubcap.
Please,
Hold on. Huh?
Here's Tesla superchargers.
I'll call Heiko.
Where's that?
Where you guys watching the movie?
Oh, Kahako?
Kahako.
Way near Dos Lagos.
Yeah. Wow, so I only get like 83 miles. I'm gonna click on stop charging, see if I can pull out the plug. Go out there and see if we can unplug it. Shows blue. Oh my god, are you kidding me? Oh shoot. Joe, I gotta unplug it.
Stuck in there?
Uh-oh.
Stuck in there?
So I need to hit unlock charging port in order for the charger to be unplugged.
Wait, do it again?
Huh?
I want to see how it looks inside.
Plug back in?
Or do you want me to do it and you can film it? Because it moves.
It moves?
Yeah. Or to like lock in on it.
Mm-hmm. Let me plug this back in. Hold on. Did I hear a click? Okay, unplug it. Did it?
Yeah.
No? Oh! Oh, so there's a lock mechanism on the bottom right there to lock it here. To lock on the bottom here. Oh, that's cool. So nobody could steal it then. So, okay. So in order to take out your charger or the adapter, so you need to press stop charging and then unlock charge port. So which is good. So that means when you have this, nobody could steal it while you charge your Tesla at the charging station with the J1772. Because I was kind of afraid that people could just steal this adapter when it's plugged in. So it's cool that Tesla they have this unlock charge port. So we're over here at the Enterprise rent-a-car. Lucid sent us over here. So we request for a EV. So this might be the Tesla Model Y that we're getting. It looks like it's a performance. This is the only one that we see out here. Kind of dirty. There's a scratch over here already. I'm not sure if the performance has a red brake caliper. Yeah, it's dirty, so I can't really see it that much. It's tinted window. Not sure there's a crack. Wow, pretty dark. Oh right, it's white interior. Oh my god, it has $100 in there. Maybe this is another car.
Yeah, no, you see, this is just like one. How did your version? Does it look like this? Yeah. So I'm not sure if this will be much help, but this is still just the breakdown. So I don't think this is gonna be showing like your charger.
So this is the Tesla Model 3. The other one was the employees. You're missing the cab. This car has been towed?
It's missing what?
What happened?
It probably fell from like another renter, but like I said, they've already notated it. They wouldn't let us borrow it if they hadn't notated, okay?
I just want to make sure there's no there's a chip and stuff right there on the glass too. I'm not sure if you got notated down though. Rock chips?
Yeah, for us, for it to be major, it has to be more than 2 inches. So this is what we use to check for damage. So they need to exceed all of this. So for glass, the chips or the cracks need to be longer than 2 inches.
So is the loser paying or I am paying for the crack or whatever?
No, that's us. You don't cover that. Yeah.
There's a curb rash, okay? Curb rash?
Yes, we got that notated, okay?
Check that one. Is it? It's a curb rash right there too. Right here.
What year is your Tesla, sir?
Tesla? Lucid. 2023.
Oh, you just wanted a Tesla?
Who?
I said you just wanted a Tesla, right?
No, we want an EV.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Curb rash again. A scratch here, scratch there, scratch there. So this side has been hit then, right?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, that's a lot. So this one has 6,718 miles. What is this? Oh, let's check for any crack, Joshua. Okay, just in case. Let me check for any cracks. All right, so we are dropping out this Tesla, and then getting this new loaner car right there on the left. It's a burgundy again. Our car's right there, getting our stuff to swap it to the loaner car.